good morning class. Please arrange your chairs properly and you may now take your seat. So let me check first your attendance. Please say present when your name is called. Gamilia, Gaja, Juarez, Villoga. Very good. You are all complete today. I gave you assignment last meeting, right? Okay, please pass your assignment here in front. Last meeting, we discussed about the 4 types of sentences according to use. What are they? Yes? Okay, very good. I have here group activity. Please group yourselves into 2. I have here scrambled phrases by making it the exact phrases. Before 1 minute, then choose a representative from the group to present here in front. Okay class, this is for the group 1 and this is for the group 2. So class, based on the solved phrases, what do you think our topic this morning? Yes? Exactly. Our topic this morning is all about idiomatic expression. So before we start, we are going to unlock first the following verbs. First verb is penny. So penny, it is a coin or a unit of money equal to 1 to 100 of a British pound. Next, disguise. To furnish with a false appearance or an assumed identity. And last, bandwagon. A popular activity, effort, cause, etc. that attracts growing support. So, class, idioms or idiomatic expression are phrases or expressions whose meaning can't be understood from the ordinary meaning of those words in it. For example, I will clean my room when the pigs fly. So meaning, I will never clean my room. Simply said that the person involved is lazy. So, can anyone give an example of an idiom? Yes? Very good. Another example, please. Gamilia? Okay, very good. Wow, it all seems you're good in idioms. Class, remember that every language has idioms and they can be difficult to learn if you're not a native speaker of that language. So class, if English isn't our native language, the best thing we do is to have conversation with the native speaker and ask about phrases that we don't understand. Since idioms are influenced by the culture, learning the idioms of a language can be very interesting and enlightening. So, okay class, when do we need to know idioms? Very good, because they are already part of our communication process. Again, what do you mean by idiomatic expression, Gamilia? Very good. Our expression or phrases whose meaning can be understood from the ordinary meaning of the word in it. So class, I have here a plate of idioms. I will call a name, then you get one, read it and give the meaning of the idiomatic expression. First is it costs an arm and a leg. Okay, it is expensive. Wool 9 yards. Everything, all of it. Piece of cake. Okay, easy. Last, blessing in disguise. Okay, something that happens that isn't recognizing at first. Let us see if you really understood our lessons for today. Again, what are idioms? Gadya? Exactly. Very good. Class, did you encounter idiomatic expression? Gamilia? Okay, good job. So, in your group work, I hope that you cooperate with your team. Cooperation is really a must in group activities. Always bear in mind that 2 minds have work better than 1. Right, class? So, class, I have here a quiz prepared. So, in a 1/4 sheet of paper, you write 5 examples of idiomatic expression and its meaning. Okay, class, done? Please pass paper here in front. So, class, I have here an assignment. You write an essay about your life experience, be it good or bad, and use idioms in it. Okay, class, that's all for today. Thank you and see you tomorrow.